How to deposit money in Bybit from bank account. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Bybit and click on assets on the bottom right. Now I need to click on this fundings, which is going to be your funding account ultimately, and then click on this fiat. Now after clicking on fiat, you just need to select your particular currency in which you want to deposit the money. Now let's say you want to go with euro or United States dollar, so you just need to click any one of these. Then this is going to open up a new window. Now in my opinion, one click buy is a great feature in the Bybit, which you can simply click on it, and then you just need to enter the amount how much you want to purchase. Let's say you want to purchase $200, so you just need to click on next on the bottom of your screen, and then this is going to ask you to select your payment method. You can also go with Wise, Perfect Money, or bank card, or of course Apple Pay. So you can simply select and then click on buy with USD on the bottom, and this is going to bring up a new window where you just need to enter all of your name, details, card number, and click on continue and purchase it. And you will gonna receive your USDT right into your funding wallet, which you can purchase. Let's say you want to purchase something like Bitcoin, you can simply click on purchase option, and then you can click on buy BTC, and this is going to purchase with the USDT. So hope this helped. This is how you can deposit money in Bybit from bank account.